everyone, welcome back to another post of Tech Break by Friday. I'm excited to introduce you a general AI agent that you can utilize for your research, slides, image generation, and even landing pages. On their website, they wrote, Manus is a general AI agent that bridges minds and actions. It doesn't think, it delivers results. Manus excels at various tasks in work, life, getting everything done while you rest. So, are you ready to take a look and see what Manus is capable of? I want to add a short disclaimer here. I have an invitation link that you can go directly and log in into Manus with your account. If you actually use my link, you will get some extra credits for free, and I'm also getting some extra credits for free. It's an affiliate link, but I'm not getting paid. There are no financial contributions here. We just both benefiting and we are getting extra free credits to use the tool. So I hope you enjoy it, and yeah, let's keep going with the pod. So how I used Manus AI. I wanted to take a look on how I can improve my personal website in order to improve click-through rate and some other features like SEO. So I logged in into Manus AI and I tapped into my prompt, the problem that I want to solve. I typed, help me improve my website. I gave the link of my website, and I also specified that I wanted to generate a report about SEO. So step 3 is actually monitoring what Manus is doing. So next to your chat, you will see a Manus computer. This is how they call it. And it has the results of what it's actually doing, how it's trying to go through, crawl into your website, go into paid speeds or paid sites of Google, and try to see if the performance of your website is good or not. Step 4, you can iterate and ask questions or keep researching based on the results you got. So I also asked it to generate, based on that report, final recommendation of what I can do to improve my website and make it into a to-do list, basically like a checkpoint file. So I used Manus to tell me how my website is performing and how it can be improved. And I do have some experience with SEO and web development, but it would take me hours to go through all these points myself. So Manus helped me with a report in 10 to 15 minutes. So you can see that it's a huge advantage over time. I wouldn't have to waste hours of my time checking SEO and website improvement. Sorry about my voice. I've been a little sick over the last couple of days. So, what makes Manus AI different? So, unlike traditional AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude, Manus is a proper agent system. What does that mean? It operates as a multi-agent framework under the hood, basically. So, here are some key differentiations. Simultaneous execution, it researches, it plans, it executes tasks at the same time. Autonomous browser control, so it uses tools like Puppeteer to navigate websites and gather information independently. Complete application creation, it builds full applications from simple prompts without templates or boiler code. And it can self-deploy working code with minimal human guidance. So there are some security practices and recommendations that I would like to mention here. Manus AI is a Chinese AI company, basically. So, as everywhere on the internet, you should be very careful what type of data you are giving access to. Always exercise caution when sharing data online. So, avoid connecting personal accounts or payment systems. Don't share sensitive business information. Use dummy accounts for testing when possible. Treat it as a learning and experimentation tool only. So, Manus AI represents a significant leap forward in agentic AI capabilities, offering a glimpse into what AGI might look like. Its ability to autonomously research, plan, and execute complex tasks makes it a revolutionary tool for entrepreneurs and businesses. Best use cases: rapid prototyping, market research, simple application development, and learning about agentic AI capabilities. Avoid production applications, sensitive data processing, or mission critical business operations until security and stability concerns are addressed, or even if they are addressed. So, here's my challenge to you, my call to action. Don't just be a passive observer of this AI revolution. Experiment responsibly, test the boundaries, but do it with your eyes wide open to both the incredible opportunities and the real risks we have outlined here today. If today's episode sparked any ideas or concerns, I would love to hear from you. Drop me a line, share your experiments, or tell me what keeps you up at night about these rapid changes in agentic AI. Because the future of businesses isn't happening to us, it's being shaped by conversations exactly like this one. Until next time, stay curious, stay cautious, and remember, in a world where AI can build businesses in minutes, the most valuable skill isn't coding, is knowing which problems are worth solving. So, if you like this post, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to this podcast. If you want to share it with any of your friends in any platform that you use, please, you're welcome to. I left all the sources in the show notes of this episode, and if you want to get some free credits to use Manus AI, feel free to use my invitation link. Thank you for joining me today and keep building.